Good morning, angels. I hope you had an amazing week. Today we're doing a little bit of a different video. We are doing a day in the life of Wing It, and this is basically what I do as a content creator. Today is a little bit different because we have some special things planned, so I thought it would be perfect to bring you along. I already filmed some ad content. I went live, I did my makeup, all of that fun stuff. Got a chance to chat with you guys on my live. For my ad, I actually filmed for La Roche-Posay, and I used their Anthelios SPF, which I use every day anyway. And that's what I love about being a content creator, is that I actually get to work with brands that I actually love and use. Those are the only brands you'll ever see me promoting, just to be clear. But let me show you guys what I'm doing. Of course, every single morning I have my green tea and my oats on deck. So we're just making my oats in the background. Tea is boiling, and I add some cinnamon and a little bit of maple syrup, and that's basically gonna be my vibe. I am 100% one of those people that is extremely routine, so I will have this basically every single morning unless it's the weekend and there's time to make like pancakes or waffles, because I do have a sweet tooth, so that is a thing. It is the most stunning day outside. It's gonna be 13 degrees. The weather is warming up here. Really happy about that. Today we're headed to Sureway Gardens to check out the Keys Soulcare Pop Up at Sephora. If you're not familiar with the brand, it's Alicia Keys' brand. Imagine she's there. If she's there, I'll just faint. That's fine. It's okay. I'll just be like literally fainted. But anyway, no, I don't think she's gonna be there, but we're there to check out the brand and the pop-up, which I'm really excited about. And of course, I'm bringing you guys with me. A lot of you guys ask about how I make my signature oats, and honestly, it is extremely simple. I just use steel cut oats, chia seeds, boil it up, get it ready. Then I throw in some cinnamon, some maple syrup, mix it around, and then I add in whatever berries I want on top. So it will be like bananas, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, all that good stuff. And then I like to make it look pretty because obviously I'm here to impress myself. And yeah, so it's as simple as that. So it's Oat Time. I also poured myself, or I'm gonna pour myself a very small cup. I don't know if you could tell, but this is a tiny cup of green tea this morning because I'm about to be on the road and I do not wanna have to use the washroom like 50 times. Something about green tea, I just have to go multiple times when I have it, but I have to have it every day. Guys, look at these beautiful blooms on my orchids. They're so sweet. Look how big they are. Wow. Hi, beautiful orchids. Anyway, I thought I'd show you guys because it makes me really happy. I also got these like tropical plants and put them all over the house, so it's giving Mexico. Okay, we are all ready to head out to the pop-up at Sephora. I just went with a jean look, and don't ask how I'm seated in an odd way, but yeah, went with a jean look. We're going with just a classic white tank. And of course, I'm gonna actually do a jean on jean today, which is gonna be a Canadian tuxedo, so be ready for that. Here is the Canadian tuxedo, as I mentioned, and I am on board with it. Honestly, it's actually super cute. We're headed to Sureway, and I brought my dad with me as the cameraman, much needed. And here is the pop-up. Come with me to the Keys Soulcare Pop Up in Sephora at Sureway Gardens. Alicia Keys has flawless skin, so I'm so excited to check out the new offerings. I got a chance to learn all about her line, and I'm particularly excited about the newest offering, the Keys Soulcare Daily Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. We just checked out the Nordstrom sale, and all the designer is like 30 to 40 off, but there was nothing left, so I came out empty-handed. I finished filming my content with Sephora, and it was really cute, so I hope you like it. It's for my stories, and I don't know what we're gonna do next. We're just walking around. My dad is getting impatient with me, so. I just got home, and we picked up Osmos. It's my first time having it, believe it or not, and honestly, it's okay. It's not amazing. I'm sorry for those of you who are obsessed, or maybe I just had it at a bad time, but I'm not the most impressed, to be honest. Okay, anyway, bye. Just checking in, it is about 6:40 p.m. and we are getting ready to have dinner. My mom is making some pasta and with beef ragu, which was just really yummy tasting so far, so I'm excited to have it. The weather is stunning. So I have no complaints right now. The new Bridgerton series just came out, so I'm definitely gonna be binging it. I'm shameless about it. I love that series. Let me know what you guys think about the series in the comments. Finishing off the night with some Bridgerton in bed with my yummy ragu. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.